As Grandpa's heart shut out the engine that his ears could clearly hear, the engines on Sodor had her very much in their thoughts.
I'm sorry I'm late, Thomas, but there was something wrong with the track switches, and I went the long way around.
Percy, I've always thought that gold dust is all Mr. Conductor needs to travel here. But maybe he's really supposed to travel on the lost engine.
He talked about buffers in his sleep last night. Buffers are at the end of a railway.
The journey gets bumpier and bumpier. That's what Mr. Conductor told me.
I think that's how he travels here, on a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Oh, Percy, my wheels suddenly feel a little wobbly. I think Diesel is around here somewhere.
I'm sorry, you two. Diesel heard every word you said. I'm going after him to see what he does next. You'd better carry on and get the mail delivered. You're very brave, Toby. Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm really useless.
Come in and join the party, Splodge.
Hooray, hooray, we're going to have a party, we're going to have a party. Who's got the balloon? Who's got the balloon?
Correction! Join the party that's over. Just like Twinkletoes' magic railway's going to be over.
Gone like the lost engine. And the buffers that lead to her. Destroy, Splodge.
Destroy!
But we might hurt somebody or something.
So,
What are you going to do? Yeah.
it's time to finally put Twinkle Toes lights out. This is a job for the boss.
I've got to delay him. I've got to distract him.
It's the old teapot. Smash him!
Boss, did you mean to do that?
I always mean what I